Hi, everybody. This is Dr. Gregory, and this is Accounting 667 Advanced Audit. What I would like to do is cover briefly with you the fraud triangle assignment that is due this week. So the fraud triangle assignment has two steps. The first step is you're going to construct a diagram of the fraud triangle. Now, you can create it yourself using shapes, or you can copy, or you can use one of my examples that I've provided in my lectures. Copy and paste it into your Word document, label it as fraud triangle. First thing, you'll have your cover sheet, and you'll illustrate your fraud triangle. Now, step 2, you're going to explain and describe each of those components, constructs, 2 or 3 paragraphs for each component. And then within these paragraphs, you're going to provide the internal controls for each component that can help reduce the impact of potential frauds. List all of the internal controls. There are 8 noted in your text. You will have, when you're done, a total of 24 internal controls documented, 8 for each component. Use the following headers to outline your assignment, and don't forget your cover sheet. I want an introduction, a short introduction to the assignment, and then after that, a header that says diagram and explanation of the fraud triangle. Here you are going to copy and paste your illustration, your diagram, in that section. Then your next header will be explanation of fraud triangle component number 1 and the internal controls. Remove the words component number 1 and type in one of the constructs or variables, and do the same with component number 2 and the same as component number 3. Then you're going to provide me a conclusion, which is a summarization of the assignment, not your opinion of it. Then I want, on a separate page, your references. If you take your fraud triangle from an illustration that you've Googled to research, or from me, you must list it as a reference and cite it. But then you'll have to have the rest of your references. Separate cover sheet and references. Use a hard break for the reference. Don't forget your hanging indent. APA 7th edition. The meal plan paragraphs, appropriate language and terms. Refer to the Student Success Center and review the grading rubric. If you have any questions, please post them to the class questions for the good of the class. Send me a Halo message or set up an appointment with me. Have a wonderful week, and I will see you in the classroom.